What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage, and today I'm going to show you a cheap, inexpensive way to make your truck look more aggressive. And today in particular, we're working on my 2017 Ram 1500. And as you can see, it doesn't really have an aggressive stance. Now, the wheels and tires that I have picked out come out to like 10 grand. So obviously I can't do that right now. So another cheap way to do is wheel spacers. Now I have one, I wouldn't say damaged wheel spacer, but one of the lug nuts were stripped. So I pounded it out, went through about 5 lug studs before I could, not find one. So I'm just gonna order a new set and then replace the one, but 4 should be okay for right now. I just won't take the truck long distances, but for video purposes, I think it will work just fine. So, okay, here's the rear, for instance. I'm gonna get a little better shot as well. This is about how far my tire sticks out right now, and it's pretty even. But we're gonna put some 2.5-inch spacers on here. Now, remember, since I did not know, I wasn't aware when I bought these spacers last year, that Ram changed the lug nut, the lug stud pitch from when it was a Dodge Ram to when it became just a Ram. So these right now are M12 by 18, I believe, and the Dodge Rams are 9/16 by 18. So the thread pitch is different, and I didn't know that. So I ended up buying all new lug studs and wheel spacer nuts or whatever. So I'll show you guys that here in a second. So here's my wheel spacer, 2.5-inch wheel spacer. It is hub centric, which is very important. You want to buy a hub centric. Now you have 2 different types of wheel spacers as well. You get ones that bolt onto the hub itself through here, so it uses the original factory lug studs, or you have ones that bolt in through the wheel, so you need extended lug nuts. I prefer these type. It's a lot easier to put on, and I feel like to be just a little bit stronger. So the weak point would definitely probably be these. So just make sure you guys get like a good quality brand. So we'll go ahead and take this wheel off. Okay, now that you got your wheel off, you place the wheel spacer on just like this. Just make sure it goes all the way down. Bought these off Amazon. They are a open style lug nut. I just have to go get a socket for these. And then you torque these down to your manufacturer's like wheel spec. Alright guys, so it's a 19mm, well these ones anyways. So we're going to go ahead and tighten these, and you do it the same pattern as you would your wheel. Okay, looks pretty even on all sides, which is exactly what you want. And then go ahead and put the wheel back on. And I got new lug nuts for that as well. This was also bought on Amazon, and they are black. Not sure how well the paint is going to hold up. So we're going to go ahead and put these on by hand. And then we're not going to be running that wheel lock anymore. And then we can go ahead and impact these on. Honestly, this will probably scratch them up. I hope not, but now I'm going to take off camera. I'll go ahead and retorque all this. I just want to, show you guys what, wheel spacers do. And here is our spacer now. Looks much more aggressive, looks way better. And while this GoPro is charging, I'm going to work on doing the rest of the truck. Alright guys, all 4 wheel spacers are on. I'm in the truck warming my feet up because I am freezing. I mean, it hasn't stopped snowing. First week, we're supposed to get snow and we had a snowstorm. Doesn't look like much because the ground isn't like froze yet, so it's not gonna stick. So anyways, we're gonna go take this thing for a little rip, see how, you know, if it wobbles or anything. Everything is torqued down to spec, and then after this I'll show you guys what it looks like. So just do it about 34, 35. There's no vibration or anything. I heard some people say on cheaper brand wheel spacers that you get some vibration around 50 or 60 miles an hour. So I'll do that. Now I did mention that one of the wheel studs are broke off the spacer, and that is on this one right here. I will be replacing that one like ASAP. But O'Reilly's was supposed to have the correct one in. We went in there with one of those micrometers or whatever, measured everything. They said it was perfect, and they were wrong once again. Be able to get up the speed and see if there's a huge difference. I hope not, because it looks super aggressive. I really like it, so. So I don't think that there is any wobble. Doesn't feel like it anyways. We're doing about 59, 60. I do feel something actually. I'm not sure if that's cause of a wheel spacer or not. We're gonna retorque these wheels after this little drive. Like 55 miles an hour, it seems smooth. When I get to a little over 60, I get a vibration. But I kind of had that anyways, or at least on the highway, about 75, 80 I had a vibration because I think one of the belts are broken, one of my tires. There's a pretty nice off-road trail up here, so we'll go ahead and go down that as well. Hopefully the wheel doesn't fall off, or you know, re-shred all the lug nuts, or you know, studs anyways. Turn traction control off. We're still in two-wheel drive. It's definitely flinging a little bit more mud. I mean, that's to be expected. My truck's actually ceramic coated, so I shouldn't have to deal with rocks so much. But I see a giant mud puddle down here, so I mean, that looks like it might be fun. Oh, it's a big ass fucking. I guess that's gonna test the lug or the studs or not. I don't know how deep any of this is. I don't really think I need four-wheel drive. But let's oh yeah, that was nothing. All right, let's. I'm gonna get out and get a photo for Instagram. This looks like a great spot, so I'll be right back. All right, back from that. I went around and looked at the lug nuts to make sure they were all still there, and they were. So this isn't a crazy trail or anything, but it's definitely like a little test to make sure that these you know, spacers hold up. I took my Merkur down here when I first got it running, and normally during the summer this is all sandy, and there was like roots in here. My car was just bottoming out the whole time. I was just in like second gear, pinned all in boost and everything, just trying to make sure I don't go through here. I've never been this way, so I'm gonna go this way. We're gonna do this off camera, and then I'm going to you know, bring you guys back if there's anything cool going on. Well guys, turns out that was private property, so I did not go down there, but I did get stuck a little bit. I had to use four-wheel drive. Overall, let's see. So it feels pretty smooth. It does have a shake, and it kind of feels a little loose, weirdly. That could be because of the wider stance, maybe. But we definitely do have a little shake going on. All the tires look great. So that's kind of weird. There is a little shake, you know, going on, but who knows? That could be because I just went through some mud too. So other than that, it feels okay. So like I said, we went through some sand, so you can see we're definitely gonna get a little bit more dirt and stuff, rock chips and all that. But like I said, I got my truck coated already, so that shouldn't be an issue. Yeah, this side's a little bit more. But overall, I think it's riding pretty good. Maybe on a nicer day, I'll pull them off, clean them off, see if that little tiny vibration goes away. But it's not like a bad vibration where you really notice it, honestly. It feels more like a tire, and it could just be a tire because these tires are junk. Too many burnouts with them. Let me know what you guys think, because I think the stance definitely looks way better. Looks way more aggressive than it did. And it's also with the leveling kit on the front too. I don't think I would do it without the leveling kit, just because, I don't know, I feel like trying to be a poser, maybe. I don't know. That's just my opinion. But here is the side-by-side. And I'll put the difference in the video right here, what it looked like before to what it looks like now. And I think it looks a hell of a lot better. Sorry guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys found this informative, or you liked it, or you like my truck and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up so it gets out there more. For some reason, I'm not sure why, but my YouTube videos aren't doing as well as they were like a year ago, and it could be because like the pandemic's over, you know, people are going back to work, maybe that's why. But I'd like to kind of grow my channel a little bit more. I love doing this. So one last little look, and I'll make sure that we take this thing off-roading here soon. I gotta find my suction cup mount, but I will probably run 2 cameras, and we'll take this thing off-roading and see how well Ram does off-road. I already know, but maybe you guys don't know. Give this video a thumbs up. See you guys later. Stay different. Check out www.goddiesgarage1.com for any merch to help my channel. And you guys have a great day.